Zane's gonna lick that dead bird. Here, hold the flashlight. No, you poured soda on it. Okay, 20 bucks. You have to lick that right there. Here you go. 20 bucks. Lick it. You didn't lick it. Wait. Put it in your mouth. Let me see it. Put. It's like a dried up chip. I think I'm gonna puke. One more for good measure?
No freaking way, dude. That's worth 20 bucks.
Oh my god.
I'm out of here. I'm going to do Tonka.
Oh man. So how's that? You like picked it up in your mouth. Are you gonna throw up?
Oh no, it tastes like a dried up chip. Or a pork rind.
Oh yeah? Phew, that looks so gross.
I'm recording.
Okay.